Hey guys, so in this video I'm gonna talk about how to install a windshield for Honda Revel 2019-2017 model, and it should be pretty standard, pretty straightforward if you're wanting to change or you want to add a windshield to your motorcycle for a cruiser type. Okay. Hey guys, so the first step is to install the bracket that connects to the windshield, and I've done it already here. When my friend gave this to me, it's already installed. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that this is just the loose, this is all loose, okay? And then once you've done that, you go onto your motorcycle, position your windshield to where you want this windscreen, to where you want it, right? And once you have an idea of where you want to put it, then this is all loose at the moment, so you kind of want to see where you want to put your bracket. So in my case, I want to put my bracket on the inside, but again, you can always play around with this where you really want your bracket to be, right? And position this if you want it to be closer or further from the bike. So it really depends on your handlebar. It depends on where you want the bracket to be. So once you locate your windshield where you want to put it, then you install the bracket. At this point, you just want to make sure that everything is still loose, especially this one here, because this is where the bracket is gonna connect. This is where the bracket is gonna go through. So you want to adjust that. See, I'm able to turn it in and out. So same for the other side. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, so once you got your bracket installed and you got this windshield where you want it, so the next step is just basically put it in there, slide it in, and again, sit on it, make sure that's where you want it. turn the bike straight and see what it looks like. And this one here, you can adjust up and down how high you want your windshield to be. Okay, and that's what it looks like in the front. You want to make sure that it's centered, right? So just do the little adjustments. This is the time to do the little adjustments, and then tighten it up when you're done. Hey guys, just a lesson learned here, because I've been trying to play around with this and I'm like, this doesn't work, this doesn't fit, like look at that doesn't work, that doesn't fit, there's too much gap. And I just realized this is stupid, but you know, learn from my lesson. I just realized that I'm like, hey, can I just shave it up? But you can actually take this out. So this is acting like a shim, so that if you have a bar that's 7/8, I guess, you can always take this out if you have a bar that's an inch. So I took it out, and much better, much better. So again, I'm sorry if I'm taking so long, but I'm doing this with one hand just to show you guys. But there it is, much better. And I'm like, yeah, I hope you learn lesson from me. But yeah, I'm like, the screw's not long enough, but yeah, you just have to take it off, and that should do it. So I had to redo the mounting for the handlebars and taking out the shim so that it fits better. And you know, you can turn the motorcycle so that the screw can fit a little bit better, so you have more gap, so you don't hit the tank. So this is me just being picky and making sure that everything is good, adjusting, taking my time. Really taking my time to adjust the windshield to where I want it, moving it forward and backwards. So as you can see, it took me a while, but yes, take your time guys, take your time. And here I am moving it, you know, turning it left and right. Make sure that it's not hitting anything. Make sure that you're okay with it. So this is the finished product right here. That's what it looks like now. I ended up switching this bracket, putting it on the inside rather than on the outside. So I mean, I don't know which way it goes, but you could do whatever you want, right? And making sure that everything is centered. Yeah, so this now goes on the inside. See there? It was on the outside before. The bracket is a lot better than having when I took out the spacing that goes in between. See a bit of a scratch, but that's fine. I painted it actually. There it is. There it is. There you go. So that's what it looks like, guys. Yeah. Hope you like this video. Oh, on the side. Look at that. Slick.